Hey, what's going on? So today, pretty excited because I want to talk about what is the best affiliate marketing advice I've ever received, ever. If I had just one piece of tip to give or advice. And this was kind of a tough question, and I thought about it for a little while. And one of the best pieces of advice I've ever gotten, ever, just one, is to stop judging other people. Uh, because by doing that, you will not judge yourself. And when you don't judge yourself, you're much, much happier. What do you think about that, huh? It's kind of deep. So definitely a lot of truth to that. And, happiness really is the main goal of everything that we do to some extent. Pleasure, happiness, stay away from pain. That's for motivation, right? So judging other people, yourself, it really is big. I think it's very, very big, especially if you sit down and think about it. Anytime you compare yourself to other people, this is not good. Okay. Now some people blame social media and the internet for this, and I would argue that the internet and social media, all those platforms, they just give you what you want. Okay. If you just broke up with your girlfriend, right? And then you go see your girlfriend with another guy, on the internet, of course you're gonna get all sad, depressed, and everything like that. So social media really exposes us for who we really are. Okay, if you're looking for negativity on the internet, you will find it. I guarantee you on that. If you're looking for positivity, you will find that as well. So it just gives you what you want. A big part of depression, I really think, and sadness, this comes down to judgment from other people. Maybe this is why the number one fear is public speaking. What do you think about this? Do you think that's true? Do you? Another big theory I have about depression, sadness, comes from society and culture itself. And a really, really good book I encourage you to read if you ever get a chance, because I do read a lot, try to at least, is Civilization and Its Disconnects by Sigmund Freud, the psychologist. And yeah, I mean, family and social pressure, they can be very big, very, very, very big. And, society says you're supposed to live your life this one way. There's a lot of pressure to go to college, maybe from your family. Maybe, get a good job, be married, have a couple kids. And even if you do this or do some of this, say you do go to college or whatever, and you get the job that makes your family happy, you may be sad, you may be like depressed because you're thinking, I'm doing what I'm supposed to do. Why am I not happy? Why? Why? But deep down, you want to do something else, right? But you did what everybody else wanted you to do, not what you wanted to do. And because part of it is fear of judgment, fear of, yeah, getting judged from people like your peers, like your family, which is big. So what I really like about affiliate marketing is it's almost like a middle finger to the world and society. It's a very liberating feeling. Like, okay, if you go on some of these social platforms, you're supposed to post baby pictures. You're not supposed to, do something different. These platforms are making money, off of you and your pictures and stuff. Why not? Why can't you get paid a little bit? Doesn't make any sense. I think it makes complete sense. I think it's a great idea. Why not? Affiliate marketing gives somebody a lot of freedom, gives someone their power back than, just being a slave to what everybody wants you to do. So, it goes against the grain of society, and that's what I like about affiliate marketing in a lot of ways. When everybody else zigs, you zag, right? There's a book, I think. Anyways, this really all comes back again to the judgment of other people, okay? And not caring about the judgment from others, uh, which to me, affiliate marketing gives a lot. It gives me back my freedom, my soul, my happiness, and a lot of other stuff. And I got this advice from Gary Vee, who I think is spot on about this. So credit to him for giving me this advice, and I think it's the best advice I've ever gotten from anybody. So I mean, that's true. So inner game is definitely the most important stuff out there. You gotta have the inner game right. But of course, technique is second. Technique is still somewhat important too. And when it comes to technique, the second best affiliate marketing advice, I'm going to go with find someone who is very, very good, swallow your pride, learn from them, and take action. That's really all you have to do. And not one person knows everything. I don't know everything. Of course I don't. Okay? And not everybody does. So you might have to get a few mentors in different areas, okay? Um, One of the most important areas of affiliate marketing, I really do argue and want to make the case that it's in the stuff on the back end. It's building the list, how to promote offers to the list, what you promote to your list, and all that kind of stuff, the email marketing and stuff. If you get that part right, then you really don't have to worry too much about traffic. My and I know this from personal experience because I've been doing this affiliate marketing for a very long time. When I first got started, I got so much traffic, it was insane, and I barely made any money. Okay, so that part really helps you so much. And the only way to really learn that, I really honestly believe, is to find someone who knows what they're doing and pick their brain and learn from them. That's the easiest way by far, so it's definitely worth it. Okay. Um, so, anyways, I hope these two pieces of advice might help you in just some small way. Your comments and thoughts are always appreciated as well. What's your number one affiliate marketing advice if you had to give to somebody? What's your number one tip to give? Please share it too. I would appreciate that a lot. Uh, Lastly, if you do want to learn how to do the list building and how to promote affiliate offers correctly, there's only one person I recommend for this, and if you want to know who that person is, just click on that link below in the description, or you can just check out my website at trustthelink.com. Yeah, you can trust the link, right? All right, have an awesome rest of your day. Take care and bye.